Hey everyone, this is Thomas. I'm the Chainlink Technical Community Manager, and today we're going to look at how to deploy contracts on Ropsten through Remix. So I am on just a typical machine here. It's not a development machine. I don't have pretty much anything but Chrome installed on it. And this is the Chainlink Repo. So to start, I'm going to go to the examples directory and then Ropsten. And if you want to follow along, I'm pretty much going by this advanced deploy guide here, and you can use this as a reference for when you go through it. But I'm going to go up to this contracts directory and just take the code for this Ropsten consumer. So I don't even have Git on this machine, so I'm just going to copy and paste the code right over the ballot in Remix. So when you first go to Remix, it's going to give you an example contract called ballot. You can just copy and paste it right over this. So something to note here is this is what Remix supports, is you can give a import path to a GitHub URL. And once you do that and you compile it, then Remix will fetch all the imports within this imported path, and so it allows us to be able to build contracts with just a single import that can be done through Remix. So this compiled successfully, and we see some warnings that are from the link token, but that's okay. We don't have any errors that prevented compilation. So I'm going to go over to the Run tab and make sure that your environment is set to injected Web3. By default, it might be something that's local, but if you do injected Web3, then you can use MetaMask. And within MetaMask, make sure that your network is on the Ropsten testnet, because you don't want to spend real money for this. This is just testing. So since I have that set, I can just hit the deploy, and MetaMask will come up to verify. I'm just going to change the GUI to like 4 because that seems to work out just fine for now. You'll notice that I have the Ropsten link address and Ropsten Oracle address hard-coded into the contract. That makes it easy for us to just deploy it. Like, you can just hit a button instead of having to refer to some documentation for the latest address, because this Oracle contract address may change as we do some development updates to it. So we can see here that the Ropsten consumer is already deployed now. Now we just need to get some link to it. So I'm going to go ahead and go to developers.smartcontract.com. So now we're on the developer site, and we can go to the faucet so that our contract can get some link. So I just copied the address, and we can paste it in here and solve the CAPTCHA. Alright, and then we can get our link. So that tells us that there's a transaction here. Now we just have to wait for this to be confirmed. And then we can go back to Remix and we can start requesting data. So let's go ahead and get the price. So I'll just, I want the price in USD. So I just hit that request Ethereum price button. I'll make it 4 GUI again. And then we submit it. And we see this link here to Etherscan. It's not so much when this is complete that the request is fulfilled. It's just when this is complete, then the Oracle contract has broadcasted the request for the nodes to pick up. So it may be a few blocks after this has been completed, but usually it's fairly quick. Alright, now that's complete. We can go back over here, and we may have to wait still another minute, but we should be able to call current price. And after a couple blocks, the value is filled in, and we can see the current price in USD of Ethereum. So that's it. We can see that we really didn't need a development environment. We could just use Remix in order to request data from Chainlink. And as a contract developer, you can get started right now on requesting external data for your contracts. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask on Gitter or Slack or on Reddit. So thank you. Have a great day.